By the end of this video, you're going to know 7 daily practices that can transform the way you think, feel, and act every single day. These aren't just quick fixes. They're habits you can start right now, no matter where you are in life. These practices will completely reprogram your mind in 2025. Imagine waking up each morning with a clear purpose and ending your day feeling accomplished and at peace. These aren't just random tips. These are the exact practices that have helped me, and honestly, they've helped thousands of others achieve breakthroughs in their mindset, careers, and relationships. I've seen people go from feeling stuck to making real progress simply by committing to these daily actions. But I will warn you, if you don't implement these hacks exactly the way I outline them, they will not work. Consistency and attention to detail are key, so make sure you follow along and take notes if you need to. So stick with me, because each practice builds on the next, and the 7th one is the most powerful of all. By the end, you'll have a complete toolkit to help you unlock your full potential in the year ahead. What it is: start your day by feeding your subconscious mind. The first moments after waking are a blank slate, giving you a unique opportunity to set your intentions before outside influences take over. By consciously choosing your first thoughts, you can shape your mindset for the rest of the day. Do this before the world floods you with negativity. The news, social media, and even emails can instantly trigger stress or anxiety, so protecting your mental space in the morning is crucial. Give yourself a buffer zone to build resilience before facing external demands. How it works: use 10 minutes of affirmations, visualization, and gratitude journaling the moment you wake up. Speak your affirmations out loud, visualize your goals as if they're already real, and write down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple routine can rewire your brain for positivity and success over time. Why it works: the subconscious is most open in the first 20 minutes after waking. What you feed it then sets the tone for the entire day. This is when your brain is in a theta state, making it highly receptive to new beliefs and ideas. By intentionally programming your mind during this window, you can break old patterns and create new, empowering habits. I used this when I was stuck in negativity, and within 90 days I saw a shift. Better focus, opportunities flowing in, and a complete change in how people interacted with me. My mornings became a source of energy and clarity, and I noticed my confidence growing with each passing week. If you stay consistent, you'll be amazed at how quickly your outer world starts to reflect your inner changes. What ruins it? Grabbing your phone, checking emails, or scrolling social media right away? This injects stress before you've programmed your mind. These habits can trigger comparison, anxiety, or overwhelm, undoing the benefits of your morning ritual. Instead, keep your phone out of reach and commit to your practice before engaging with technology. But that's just the first hack. This next one is incredible if you want to create unstoppable focus and discipline. Stick around, because building on this foundation will help you unlock even greater results in every area of your life. What it is: instead of saying, "I want to lose weight" or "I want to be successful," shift into identity-based affirmations. I am the type of person who eats healthy, and I prioritize my well-being every day. This subtle shift in language can make a huge difference in how you perceive your actions. I am a disciplined and consistent person. By affirming this, you start to embody the traits of discipline and consistency in your daily routines. How it works: the brain works hard to stay consistent with your identity. When you believe you are a certain type of person, your brain aligns your actions to match that belief. When you start declaring and acting as if you already are that person, your habits shift naturally. This makes it easier to adopt new behaviors that align with your desired identity. A friend of mine went from procrastinating to running a thriving online business just by shifting her language and affirmations around identity. She started saying, "I am a successful entrepreneur," and her actions followed suit. What ruins it? Using weak language like "I'll try." This kind of language creates doubt and uncertainty, which can sabotage your efforts. Or surrounding yourself with people who reinforce your old identity. It's crucial to be around those who support your new self-image and goals. Now, before we move into the next practice, hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss out on weekly videos that will help you manifest the life you truly desire. Your journey to a better you starts with staying informed and motivated, because the next hack is going to show you how to attract the right people and opportunities effortlessly. Stay tuned for more transformative tips. What it is: aligning your energy with what you want before taking action. This means tuning your thoughts, feelings, and intentions to match the outcome you desire, almost like setting your internal radio to the right frequency. When your energy is in sync with your goals, you naturally attract opportunities and ideas that support your vision. How it works: spend 5 to 10 minutes in meditation visualizing yourself already living your goal. Feel the emotions, embody the energy, then step into your day. The key is to make the experience as vivid as possible. Notice the sights, sounds, and sensations of your imagined reality. Even just a few minutes of this practice can shift your mindset and set a positive tone for everything you do. Why it works. According to neuroscience, the brain can't distinguish between imagination and reality when emotions are involved. So you install your desired future. This means your brain starts wiring new neural pathways, as if your goal is already happening, making it easier to take inspired action. Over time, this process helps you build confidence and resilience, even when challenges arise. This practice is why many athletes, CEOs, and creators visualize before performing. It literally rewires the mind for success. They use this technique to boost focus, reduce anxiety, and mentally rehearse their best outcomes. You can apply the same strategy to your own goals, no matter how big or small. What ruins it? Doubt and overthinking during the process. If you catch yourself second-guessing or feeling skeptical, pause and gently bring your attention back to the positive emotions you want to feel. Remember, it's normal for doubts to arise, but don't let them dominate your practice. If you visualize while secretly thinking, "This won't work," you cancel the effect. Instead, try to approach the practice with curiosity and openness, even if you don't fully believe it yet. Over time, your mind will become more receptive, and the process will feel more natural. Now, if you thought that was powerful, wait until you hear this next hack. It's one of the most underrated secrets of people who consistently win. Stick around, because the next practice can help you break through plateaus and accelerate your progress even further. So, your environment is shaping you every second, consciously and unconsciously. The colors, sounds, and even the energy of a space can influence your mood and decisions without you realizing it. If you want to change your life, start by noticing what your surroundings are telling your mind every day. It's time to upgrade it. Even small changes, like moving your desk closer to natural light or adding a plant, can make a big difference. Take a look around and ask yourself, does this space support the person I want to become? Here's how it works. Clean your space, because clutter can create mental fog and stress. Set aside just 10 minutes a day to tidy up, and you'll notice your mind feels lighter and more focused. Surround yourself with inspirational images, books, music, and reminders of your goals. Create a vision board or playlist that lifts your spirits, and keep motivational quotes where you can see them every day. And people who elevate your thinking. Seek out friends, mentors, or communities that inspire you to grow, and limit time with those who drain your energy or hold you back. The reason this works is because your environment triggers your habits, so when you upgrade your surroundings, your behavior follows. Every time you walk into a space that feels good, you're more likely to stick to positive routines and make better choices. I remember I once worked in a cluttered room, and honestly, my creativity was totally blocked. I felt overwhelmed and unmotivated, and even simple tasks seemed harder than they should be. But the moment I redesigned my workspace into a clean, minimal, inspiring place, everything changed. Suddenly, ideas flowed more easily, and I actually looked forward to sitting down to work each day. I actually doubled my productivity and clarity. What ruins it? Staying in toxic environments and thinking, "I'll just push through." But willpower alone isn't enough if your surroundings are working against you. "I'll just willpower my way through." But the truth is, your environment will always win in the long run. So set yourself up for success by making it as supportive as possible. Now, this next one is like mental nutrition. It's going to feed your brain. Just like you choose healthy food for your body, you can choose positive inputs for your mind every day and rewire it faster than anything else. The more you fill your environment with positivity and intention, the quicker you'll see changes in your mindset and results. So, what this is all about is carefully monitoring the information you consume, being intentional about what you allow into your mind every single day. Most people don't realize how much their mood and mindset are shaped by what they see and hear, often without even noticing it. Whether that's social media, news, or even just conversations, every bit of input counts. Try to notice how you feel after certain interactions or after scrolling through your feed. Your emotions are a clue to what's nourishing you and what's draining you. Here's how it works. You replace gossip, fear-based news, and negativity with motivational videos, uplifting podcasts, or even just music that makes you feel good. The goal is to create an environment that supports your growth, not one that keeps you stuck in old patterns. Spiritual content and books that really build you up can shift your perspective and help you see new possibilities. Even just 5 minutes a day of reading or listening to something positive can make a huge difference over time. The reason this works so well is that your subconscious mind actually accepts repeated input as truth. So the more you feed it positivity, the more it believes in your potential. This is why consistency is key. Repetition is what rewires your mental habits. So, whatever you're consuming daily, that becomes your inner dialogue, kind of on autopilot. If you want to change your self-talk, start by changing what you expose yourself to. Your mind will naturally follow. I had one client I coached who cut out negative news and started feeding her mind positive content. She made a conscious effort to avoid drama and focus on what inspired her. She even created a playlist of her favorite motivational talks to listen to every morning. Her anxiety dropped in just 2 weeks, and she reported feeling more hopeful and energized each day. It's amazing how quickly your mental state can shift when you change your input. And she ended up attracting a job opportunity she'd been waiting years for. When your mindset changes, your actions and results start to align with your new beliefs. What really ruins this hack is saying, "It doesn't matter what I watch or listen to," because that attitude keeps you stuck in old cycles. Every choice you make about your mental diet is a vote for the person you want to become. Because honestly, it absolutely does. Your mind is always listening, so treat it with the same care you would your body. Feed it what helps you grow. Now, hack number 6 is the one that will speed up your manifestation results like nothing else. Get ready because this next step is a real game changer for your daily routine. So, here's what this one is. Don't just say thank you for what you already have. Expand your gratitude to include the things you desire, as if they're already part of your life. This simple shift in perspective can open your mind to new possibilities and help you notice opportunities you might otherwise overlook. Say thank you for what's coming, as if it's already here. This primes your subconscious to expect positive outcomes, making you more receptive to taking inspired action when opportunities arise. The way to do this is, each night before bed, write down 3 things you're grateful for in advance, things you want to experience or achieve. This practice helps you end your day on a positive note and sets your intentions for tomorrow. For example, thank you for my thriving business. Even if your business is just starting out, expressing gratitude as if it's already successful can boost your confidence and motivation. Or, thank you for my loving relationship. Visualizing and feeling gratitude for the love you want to attract can help you show up as your best self in your interactions. The reason this works is that gratitude in advance actually tricks your subconscious into believing it's already real, which can shift your mindset from lack to abundance. When you feel as if your dreams are already happening, you naturally start to act in ways that align with those outcomes. This kind of reprograms your vibration and magnetizes results to you. The more you practice, the more you'll notice synchronicities and opportunities that support your goals. Personally, I used this nightly gratitude hack, and it completely changed my outlook and energy. It became a calming ritual that helped me sleep better and wake up feeling more optimistic. Within months, I manifested collaborations and opportunities I had only dreamed of before. The more consistent I was, the more quickly things seemed to fall into place. What ruins it is writing it without emotion. Just going through the motions won't create the shift you're looking for. It's important to really connect with the feeling of gratitude, even if it takes a few moments to get there. Gratitude really works when you feel it deeply. Let yourself imagine how amazing it will feel when your desires become reality, and let that emotion fill your heart as you write. And finally, we've arrived at the 7th practice, the most powerful one. If you're ready to take your mindset to the next level, you won't want to miss this last step. If you only implement one, make it this. This single habit can create a ripple effect, transforming not just your mindset, but your entire life. This one is all about writing out your perfect day as if you're already living in your future reality. Imagine every detail, from the moment you wake up to the last thing you do before bed, and let yourself feel the emotions as if it's truly happening. The more vivid and specific you are, the more powerful this exercise becomes. Here's how it works. Each week, take 20 minutes to script your life in detail: where you live, who you're with, what you're doing, and how you feel. Don't just focus on the big milestones. Include the small, everyday moments that make your life meaningful. Over time, you'll notice your mind naturally starts seeking out opportunities that align with your script. Why does it work? Well, writing activates both the logic and imagination centers in your brain, embedding the vision way deeper than just visualization alone. This dual activation helps bridge the gap between your current reality and your desired future, making your goals feel more attainable. Plus, the act of writing can clarify your intentions and boost your motivation to take action. Countless people, from Jim Carrey, who wrote himself a $10 million check, to entrepreneurs and everyday folks, have used scripting to manifest dream careers, relationships, and lifestyles. Their stories show that consistent, intentional scripting can turn even the most ambitious dreams into reality. If they can do it, so can you, no matter where you're starting from. What ruins this is treating it like a wish list instead of writing with authority and conviction. Write in the present tense, as if your dreams are already unfolding, and believe in your words. The energy and certainty you bring to your scripting make all the difference in how your subconscious mind receives the message. Now, before you click away, remember, these 7 practices will only work if you commit to them daily. Set a reminder or create a ritual around your scripting to make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. Consistency is what transforms these practices from wishful thinking into real, lasting change. Don't dabble. Repetition is the key to reprogramming your mind. The more you reinforce your new beliefs and visions, the faster your subconscious will accept them as reality. So stick with it, even on days when it feels repetitive or challenging. If you enjoyed this video, check out this one next. There's always more to learn on your journey of self-growth. By exploring new ideas and strategies, you'll keep your mind open and adaptable, which is key to lasting change. 10 most effective self-improvement habits in 2025 that are proven to elevate your life. These habits are backed by research and real-world results, so you can trust they'll make a difference. Try incorporating just 1 or 2 at a time to see steady progress. It'll take everything we talked about today and give you the practical habits that make your success inevitable. Remember, consistency is the secret. Stick with these habits and watch your transformation unfold. I'll see you there.